ready, Madeline?
Stand up.
Look, stand up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, there you go. Now lock your knees.
Come on.
There you go.
Toss.
Need a little help?
Maybe.
Yeah, I think so. Look, Madeline, we're gonna get in the car, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Look, try to keep your head up, okay? You got gauze in your mouth. Y'all call us if y'all need anything, okay? Y'all have a handful.
Okay, sit up. I need you to sit up.
Call us if you're having emergency.
you.
Be glad she's not crying.
I am.
Bye.
I need you to sit up. Yeah, you guys sit up. I need you to sit up. Okay. 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 Sit up. You have to sit up. Sit up. Oh, it's okay. Okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get her out of the car and home.